Hello guys, welcome back to Brainstorm Motion. I'm Sam and today we're going to talk about the most viral and even known platform on earth. That is the Instagram. We are going to talk about how are you going to optimize your sales, are you going to upload your work on Instagram and get a certain amount of view. So Instagram is this network that works the way YouTube works, the way Facebook works. So their objective is to maintain a certain amount of people in their platform so that they can run ads and make money. So if your content, I know how it's hard, how it's a struggle to grow a beginning platform in Instagram. So I'm going to give some tips on how you're going to make your Instagram explode. So the first thing you need to have is an upcalling niche, a niche that can call people, an attractive niche. So this way, if you do not have an idea on how to create a niche, I recommend Namelix. Will help you to choose a name for your brand. And the next thing you need to do is to keep constantly upload. But don't upload just any video or any content. Search for ideas. Go on Instagram and see what contents are up to date, what contents are going viral, and use those hashtags, use those contents to extract some ideas into your content also, so that you can see how the Instagram works. The Instagram algorithm is like a game. You have to show them that you are there, you are going through the certain ways. So first it will show your video to a certain amount of people, of your followers, and if those followers, if there are a lot of engagement, like the algorithm doesn't care about the likes. It cares about the watch time, about the saved video, about the share. So if your video passes through this amount of people, then it will go to another certain amount of people and keep growing. If not, just forget it. So you have to also have a good description, a very visible and an understandable description on your bio, so that people will see your profile and understand in a snap of finger that what they are looking for and see what you are offering. If you want more of these tips on Instagram, just give a like and leave a comment. I'll be here. So be well. Thank you very much for watching. Just don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you. You are welcome. Peace.
Hustling hand in hand, round every dip and bend. We can't be fazed by your sticks and stones.